What's up, Tom Riddle? Wow, Tom Riddle is in my chat. That's crazy. Damn, sounds like they're geniuses too. Yeah, no, a lot of smart people to be around, a lot of good people. It seems like I've learned a lot in 2 weeks. I really respect our CEO and how he operates himself. He does a lot of stuff that I would imagine, even in the 2 weeks that I've been around, that I would imagine I wouldn't see out of, must be at most 4. Oh, darn. I wanted this to be a nice identifier that if we wanted to go into the Stripe dashboard, we could see what's going on quickly and easily. I need to truncate it. So I'm gonna go here. No. Do I go dot slice the first 40, right? Start at 0 and end at 40. But yeah, I mean, leak coding does not a good developer make in reality. Let's see if that gets through. That got through. Interesting. Okay. So now these are going to be these coupons are actually going to be, oh, dang it. They all got lumped onto that one. Why did that happen? There's no way that that was an accident, right? Trial ID. What's up, pizza? Have I scuba dived before? No, but that sounds really cool. I wish. You want to go scuba diving right now? I'll go. I don't even care. I don't even care, bro. I'll go right now. I'm in the middle of the desert. I'll go find something to scuba dive into. Swan dive into the greatest night of your life. Yes. Okay, I was lying. Not because I don't want to, because I'm overwhelmed at the amount of stuff I have to do in a day. That only runs one time. Sign trial coupons. Using these trials, I wanted to randomly pick one out. This got ran once and used the same thing over and over. Why would that be? Oh, here, map over them. I gotta put it in the map, so then it knows. So then it will evaluate for a new trial every time. Create trial coupon. Think. Get that goal. Trying to do 2 mil? Good grief. What are you building, sir? I know what you're building. No, I don't. I just thought of a hacksaws. What are you building? My god. Okay, let's see. So build coupons. I'm gonna do... Ah, this is weird. I have to await that. But this isn't going to be happy, so let me do this. Const that work because I don't care right now. Async here. Oh, I probably just need to do this. Duh. I say duh, like this was just so obvious. Coupons in there. There we go. This still isn't async though. Let's see if it freaks out. No, okay, that's good. What? Rental stock 9 to 5 side hub. Jeez. I thought you were building like an actual product. Well, that's one way of doing it. All right, let's see. I think I probably fixed that there. Jugi, what's good? There's actually, now that you mentioned scuba diving, there's a lake right above me. There. It's just off screen right there. I'm in my secret lair underneath a body of water. Northward from me, there is a lake. That I think you can go scuba diving in. Right above me. Yeah, genius, huh? Okay, so now I'm going to get rate limited. I actually expected that. Rate limits in our lower than live mode. Okay, so. Send it! What's up, Tinjo? What's really good, my G? Cut the stream. Should I just poke a hole in the bottom of the bag? And it'll be like, water. Sexy! This stream just got a whole lot sexier. Streamer, that's weird.
Streamer, that's weird. Can we not? Can we no? Like definitely not? Like hardcore, definitely not?
Yes, man. Ooh. Let's see. So I'm getting a rate limited. How many shoes to ban that forever? $5,000 gifted subs.
Streamer, do you realize that that's an unrealistic amount of money? Streamer, why aren't you writing your app in assembly? JavaScript is slow. Streamer, why aren't you using Bun yet? Streamer, why aren't you using Dino yet? Streamer, why aren't you using React Final Form yet? Streamer, why aren't you writing in Rust yet? Streamer, why isn't it written in Go? Streamer, why are you using VS Code? Streamer, if you have to use a monitor to write code, then I've got news for you. You're not cut out for this business. I use smoke signals. I type something into a fire. I have something to. Streamer, you're just off it. I don't know why you think you're good enough to be writing code in front of people. Streamer, are you using Windows?
Dude, Bun though. The only Bun we're interested in is this one right here. If you're trying to. If streamer.
Viewer, if you're trying to tell me to use Bun, you can kiss this one. How about that?
Streamer, why does your voice sound like that? I use smoke signals. Professional bun spreader. Meow. Streamer, why haven't you created your own framework yet? Streamer, why haven't... Are you really writing your own database seed? Why don't you make it a framework so that other people can do that? Why don't you open source it, Streamer? This sucks. I'm gonna get rate limited because this becomes 2 loops. This becomes for every... Wait, coupons map. Where's that one coming from? So we're gonna do 7 there. Build coupons. Await trial coupon. That's only like 7-ish. Why is it doing that to me now? because it's trying to do them all at once. Let's do... I want to like for loop it so that I don't get rate limited, probably. How many of these am I making though? Coupons, map. I think it's only going to be that 7. Let me see if I like do like 3 if it rate limits me. Whoa!
Oink Codes gifted a tier 1 sub to Manny Mocky. They are given 4 gift subs in the channel.
Okay! Owen! Okay. Okay.
Oink Codes gifted a tier 1 sub to Rank Hawkins. They are given 5 gift subs in the channel.
Man. Dude. Kiss me on the mouth, why don't you? Thanks to follow CCNet. Trash only has one thing to say. Butts. Okay, so then now I've got
Oink Codes gifted a tier 1 sub to Trash_dev. They are given 6 gift subs in the channel.
I'll drink to that. He's...
Oink Codes gifted a tier 1 sub to Pietzenthoven. They are given 7 gift subs in the channel.
Pietzenthoven. Did you hear that? Dude. Any Oilers? Hello? Brother. Dude, thanks. That's crazy. What a lovely Saturday. All that had to happen was Trash had to show up, and all of a sudden it just started raining. Hi, Trash. Hi, Diogo. Hi, everyone. Thanks, Owen. You're crazy. Keep adding subs. I don't think that was what I was talking about. I don't think that's the route. Government funded, baby. Sub goal surpassed. Yes. I should have something that I do when... What do you think is a good idea when you guys pass the goals or something? Pass the goal and I'll have to ponder on that one. Game, like play video games. Pass the goal and I'll do one of these. Ready? Ah, I got stuck. Damn it. That was pretty bad. Basically working 2 jobs now. I would argue 3 between Kidder, this, and Vercel. Yeah. Kidder, we're kind of putting on autopilot while I do this. I mean, we're right. I'm trying to organize myself. Okay, so why did I get all of these dumped onto the last one? Let's just make, not what I wanted, yarn, DB reset. Let's see if, Brian, don't stop, baby. It ain't like that. I mean, I don't know. I work a lot. I work more than I should, but I gotta keep going. Oh, okay, okay, that's interesting. It just happened to, by the graces of mathematics, it piled all of the coupons onto that one trial. Looks like it spread it out on those, which was what I was expecting to see. Don't burn out. Bun stream. Know what you wouldn't burn out on? Bun. You wanna know why? because it goes faster than you can think. What's a bun? It's one of the, is that right there? It's a big one and it's tasty, let me tell you. I only made one trial that time. Interesting. Faker is back. Yeah, the community revived it, or whenever that first bad stuff happened, with Faker, they almost instantly, the community resurrected it and forked it. And so Faker is the kind of thing that was, you know, glad it's back. Yeah, I government funded. Your tax dollars at work. Okay, so that's working how I wanted to. Dude, knock it off. You're gonna get in trouble. I'm gonna ban you. Thank you a million times. I don't. Where were? Okay, hold on a minute. Where were the gifties when I wasn't working a salary job? No, I'm just kidding. When I was, you know, when I was like your Twitch Prime. When I was like your Twitch Prime that you're not taking care of and you're leaving out in the cold and the sleet and the snow and nobody, what is sleet? I don't even know. I was like this before this whole Vercel thing happened, okay? And now this Vercel thing happens and now it's raining. In a good way, I guess. This is rain, but this is bad rain. So at any rate, if that's your Twitch Prime, it needs a happy home where it can grow into the tier 3 sub that we all know it can be. And that's this stream. Just saying. That's hat mode and I don't want it. Okay, so this is seemingly working. It would appear that I need to make more trials though, just because I have it capped at 3 apparently. Let's take this up to like there's got to be a way to do... Oh, why didn't I do it that way? Random number... Or what are you supposed to do? Faker number? No. Faker helpers number? What are you supposed to do? Data type? Number? There we go. Finally found it. I think I found it. Let's see how slow this goes, I guess. Because it's going to continue to go slower the more stuff I tack on. These days are going to be very annoying. So we can go min. Let's do a minimum of 5 probably and a maximum of 10. That's probably as many as you would need to be able to work with, at least for now. And then I would really love to know when I'm going to get rate limited here, because this makes a huge difference. Because there needs to be able to be like multiple. Did I go over the sub goal? Yeah, you did. All right. It was supposed to be an upper limit there. They're sticking it to me. Still haven't gotten your tax return? Well, did you ask politely? Or did you, you know, do it like you would do? You have to ask nicely. I want to know what this rate limit is. Did it have that information in the rate limiting message that it was giving me? I don't know what's up with this, by the way, and I don't care. IRS. It looks like 5 is what I'm getting maxed out at. You should limit your request to 5 or less than 30 with a live key. Wait a minute. You're creating accounts too quickly. This is annoying. So, streamer, you're too blazingly fast. Can you please slow down? We just can't handle you. You're a crazy person. Okay, so then in that case, this right here, I can't promise .all, I guess. I'll do these as maps. Let's do, That's what. Oh god. Build payment account. I'm gonna do create payment account then, and then why would oh. And then I'll do dot then that gets handled for you. Res dot ID. Sure. Now what does this think it is? Promise string. Oh, because this is async. Can I have this? No, that has to be async, which means this has to be async, which means now I'll just await this. Just await this dot ID, and that's why does not exist on let's do falling further and further down the rabbit hole here. It's dumb. That was dumb. Let's do this. Clean it up, streamer. Stripe account ID equals await create payment. Whoops, payment account. Stripe account ID. Or well, I guess I'll do Stripe account. Blah blah blah. Da, 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 da. Stripe account. Typing is the worst. Okay, there. And then because these are async, this is going to be super pissy with me because it thinks promises are coming through. It's right. And do I await? No, I do await promise dot all these. I don't think this solves my rate limiting issue though, because now I'm effectively doing the same thing. Yeah, NVIDIA, you won the lottery, bro. I'll send some nudes next time. Yeah, we got it. Yeah, we all got to make sure they're up to government grade, you know. Trying to finish it. Oh yeah, okay. That's just this right here. That's just all that coming out of trash. Thanks again, Owen. Love it out of you. Okay, so yes, again, I just moved the problem somewhere else. I didn't actually... It, like, actually needs to do one at a time. And this promise.all is making them all go at the same time. So we're going to for loop it, I guess. We're gonna do these one at a time. We're gonna go. I don't want to go about this. I'm gonna make an array. Let trials equal this, and then I'm gonna go how many const num of trials equals this right here. So the whole problem here is I'm getting rate limited, which is fine. I mean, the test account has a pretty low number apparently. So when was the last time I wrote a for loop? Oh my god. One sec. For let I equals 0, you gotta do semicolons. Sounds like Donald Duck in here. Oh boy. we're going to do num of trials, and then we're going to go I++, and then we're going to go there, and this is not a comment. That, and okay, and then we're going to do this mock generate. This turned into just world's worst, man. Let's do that. Let's go here. Let's go there. Let's go. What are you so upset about? Implicitly than any. So we'll do trial array, I think. No, that's the wrong spot. Trial. There we go. Look at them come as you. And then we'll need to do. I like heavy deleting things. What did I just do? Okay. This will loop, 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 and then it will come to here. It seems right. We're gonna create bank accounts. Did I drop? Oh, I dropped all of the interesting parts. I need generate mock, and then trials dot push. This needs to be the mock. Dot mock, and all this stuff. It'll be like this. This disappears. Let's just do this just to see that what I'm doing is even remotely what I want to be doing. Trial model extend. Okay, so now I have generate mock. I still don't have this going on because I got rid of it. I'm dumb. Boom, 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 boom. Any of this. Streamer, you just run any. Oh my god. Gosh. Stripe account equals create payment account, and I want the ID of it. This needs to be awaited. That was the entire point. Okay, let's see how close I get. What's that? Blank space blank. What do I want to fill in the blanks with? Prisma space fun. Saturday space good. Viewers space 46 space streamer space very space surprise space because space he's space uninteresting exclamation point question mark. Full stack comedian strikes again. But will it work? See, this is taking a lot longer now because, oh, well, I mean, it did work, so it kind of becomes a balance of Fog hated it. Okay, so that worked. It just becomes a balance of how many trials we want to be building up to do our stuff with. Hi, Hazel. What you doing, baby? Oh, that's a good pupper. Oh, thank you. She's licking my hand. Oh, thank you. That's so nice of you, pupper. Thank you. So yeah, now it becomes a game of like, do we want to populate these pretty heavily, I guess? The more we do of this, the longer it's going to take. So I'm going to do that, I guess. Let's get a runtime on this. It said it was done in 50 seconds. I can accept that. There's going to be more that comes, though. More than 10 to do pagination. Okay, I was thinking that. So then what do you like to see here? You probably want to see like 12 to a good like 30 then? 12 at least gets you to pagination. I don't know. Because it's already max 10 should be greater than... Oh, whoops. I was changing numbers as I... so now at the very least you get 1. 30's fine? Okay. You're going to have 1 or 2 pages to work with, right? No, 2 or 3 pages to work. No. 2 or 3. Yeah. No. 2 pages. You're gonna have 2 pages to work with. There we go. Do you want me to make... Damn. See, this is gonna take a while now, though. Because for every single one of these, a stripe call has to go. Which... I don't know any way. I don't think I have any way of cutting that down. And we didn't see any options for like a big mocker thing to use, but so be it, I guess. Let's see if it works before I do anything. Hands off. Stream and relax. I hope everybody's having a good Saturday. I'm seeing 40... Oh, this is going to be my coupons again. Tell me which request this was for. This is going to be the coupons again. The coupons needed to be brought down to 5. And then... wow, it took that long to get to that. Wow. Interesting. But again, right, you only should have to do this every once in a never. Is it? No, it's... So I'm having to do a bunch of Stripe calls now. These create coupons. I'm reaching out to Stripe to create bank accounts and to create coupons, and just takes time. And so I guess it just kind of an is what it is thing. So that works. Let's see what we got. So now we've got, looks like 17. We're seeing some coupons spread out throughout here. So I guess here's my question, Fog. Do you want more coupons than 5 to be spread out throughout here? Because what we can do actually is you could go here and change this trial ID if you wanted to lump more onto one trial to work with that situation, right? Because I'm gonna get rate limited when I go past 5. That's the whole sticking point, is when I go past 5 right here. That's fine if we can move IDs around. Okay, that's what I'm thinking. Maybe I should test that. What's up, USMC chick? Oh my god, I just had a class. We had a sub. He was the worst ever. So disappointing. He was kind of like that senior dev that talks down to people when learning. Oh. Well, the other thing I can do, Fog, is I can make like 1 or 2 coupons per trial, which that might actually be better. Because if I for loop these coupons there, it's just gonna take more time though. I don't know, how long did that take? That took, oh, that only took a minute. Okay, never mind. Maybe let me try this and see how fast it goes. Okay, let me pull. I liked my methodology there, so let's go here. I'm going to do create trial coupon goes back to the Tippities. This is different though because I need the Stripe account off of that trial. And as we loop over, then I need to do the work. So, oh, maybe I just need to move this inside and go, no, this is the actual mock, never mind. What do I need to do here? I need to go, I need to be looping over trials. Can you associate the same coupon on different trials, or each trial has? They're all their own accounts. They're all different trials altogether. Yeah, they're all different. There can't be more than one on. Doesn't make sense, right? One secretary is going to make a coupon for their trial, and then so that shouldn't leak out onto others. Handing out coupons. Let's go. We literally got more figured out ourselves after class when we worked together. Not surprising. What was the academy or whatever it was that you were doing? Remind me? Sorry. Okay, so I need to loop over trials. And as I loop over trials, make the coupons specifically for them. Trials dot for each, here we go, for each trial here, do that, then wrap this entire thing. Continue down there. This is asynchronous. I think that's gonna work. No, you can't do async, so I have to go for, I have to for loop it, right? Okay, files dot length. This isn't the logic that I'm interested in. Down here. Okay. Now I go, that's gone. So that's gone. And that's gone. So I'm going to make 5 coupons for each trial. I think this will work out of the off the rip. Because what I'm doing here is talking through the logic, Anthony. I'm going to loop over my trials. I'm going to make 5 coupons every time I have a new trial. I'm going to for those coupons for that trial. Here, why don't I do this? Loop over the trials. Make 5 coupon mocks every time we have a new trial. Let me actually stop this though, because we don't want 5 anymore. We want to be able to do like Faker, data type, number, and we're gonna do min 0 to max 2. Make some coupon mocks every time we have a new trial, and then do the work for each coupon. That makes sense, right? Yeah. Seems to make sense to me. I like it. Let's see if TS Node likes it. Oops. Are you sure? I am. New camp. Sent my instructor a message to please get better. We missed him. Sounds like it. What's up, Alex? Faker.js is back in D's nuts. Cause that's your thing. Faker was always there. When that guy went crazy, the community pretty quickly picked up, went and grabbed the latest version right before he blew it up, and they saved it. So yeah, it's called at faker-js/faker or something. Didn't follow? Yeah. He blew it up. What was the actual? Yeah, that's the name of the package now. He blew it up, and then they went and grabbed it and saved it. I gotta be putting some logs in here just for my own sanity, because while I'm sitting here, I want to like know what's going on. Cool. That only took 91 seconds. Boom. Got a lot of zeros though. Is that just by luck of the draw? Min 0, max 2? Here, let's go like that. I want to know that this is working, like, no matter what. Yeah, it was... That guy went and damn near lost his mind, didn't he? Not even near, he really did. Have I seen... Have I seen Game of Thrones? No, I haven't. Tell me more. Let's go console.log. No. Oh, cool. The dragon? Tell me more. Which dragon? Yeah! Let's see. Okay, so I like my new right here, so I'm gonna get rid of that. And then these can be gone, Cruel Beast. And we're out of there. And goodbye. This isn't working out now that I'm on to you. Let's go console log, creating a Stripe account for trial. I don't think I would say that. You're too versed in these nuts. Phrasing. Please. Writing. Oh, whoops. So yeah, this part is where I'm I am getting stuff wrong. Slice 40, amount off. There's my bank account. Pick out a trial. Okay, so that is not what we want anymore. Instead, what we want is so this is wrong. We want to go trials for each. Why didn't I want to do for each before? Because I need that for the call. I need that for the stuff in here. Trial. I love. No, it's the second time we've heard railway today. Do I need to do some investigating? I don't know if I'm gonna get away with this. He can't keep getting away with this. I don't know if I'm gonna get away with this. I think I'm gonna have overlapping, because for each I don't think it waits on itself. Which I think is that what I want them? What was I doing in the for loop the other time? I think I wanted them to be concurrent. But the for each will or won't be, I can't remember. Sounds good, Ghosty. Oh, in a Rails app. I was saying I'm dumb. Okay, those aren't what I want, I'll tell you that much. I want trials. Oh, I needed to. We're gonna go const mock. I deleted it. Stupid. No, this is it right here. I can go const mock mock. I don't want const though, and I want let, and I want this stuff to happen. And this can happen before this, and this bit goes here. I tell you what, this turned into such a beast, man. Yarn db reset. Let me make myself some logs for here. Console.log, creating coupons for trial. Trial.id, great, and I think that should work. Oops. Sound good, Ghosty. Have a good one, man. Yeah, I think this should work. I apologize if this isn't too particularly interesting. I just wanted to hang out with you guys, and you know, building a database seed is something that is very important for us to be able to actually develop our application. So, what happened? Thought I fixed that. Build trials, generate that mock. There's an ID, push that. Oh, at that time, okay. Love hanging out with you smart people. Felt so dumb on pursuit. You got the wrong guy, I'll tell you that. That says creating coupons for trial. But it doesn't look like it is. Okay, that's going to be because this for each doesn't get awaited. So I need... That was why I wanted the for loop back, right? So what oh, here we go. That was why I wanted this. I got myself crossed up. Here we go. Ready? I equals 0. I less than trials trials.length, and I++, and this is let, and this is here, and this, now I go get rid of this, bring this back, go here, trial. Now I go here and I go const trial equals trials, and then use this index there. That's what I needed. So then now my stuff is going to get awaited because it wasn't before. That was my problem. Okay, so DB reset. Yoink. We wait. We sit. We wait. Hue. I feel like I want to do this. Mock.id equals figure.datatype .uuid, and then get rid of that. Yeah, that's better. Now these will have actual IDs on them. Actually, don't even have to do this. That's just extra work. Mock.acceptance method equals and secretary ID mock.secretary ID equals, and then mock dot, yeah, boom, mock dot. There. Same thing, different. Same thing, but different. DB reset. Okay, something's not being awaited still. Let me actually see what the result of that was. Still, okay, I got a random, got a random 2 in there. This isn't being awaited still. Async, assign trial coupons. Async, assign trial coupons await. Trial coupons here. This work is not being respected. Respect my authority. Reading coupons for trial year. New trials written. It goes to those trials and it tries to execute this, but then it instantly is done. I was literally begging my teacher to teach something because we were all stuck on how to make the array in this color game function. This dumb teacher kept telling us stories about being in the real world in a fundamentals class. That is just so lame. It's I try to be understanding of the phenomenon that you're talking about, USMC chick. It's hard, particularly in programming, when you're so used to thinking about the stuff that you do every day over here, like this, and then all of a sudden you are having to come back down to here. It's really hard for these people to disengage from their current knowledge set and be realistic and come back down to you guys. It's called the curse of knowledge. There's really a word for it, or a phrase for it. But I find that it's so much more common in programming in particular. And it's always so interesting that these people that are brilliant can't figure out how to do that. Sorry, one sec. That are brilliant can't figure out how to do that. I don't know. But that's why you have certain people that teach programming that you're like, oh my gosh, you're a lifesaver. All the other people stunk it up. I feel like I'm only getting my first loop. Some are better than others. Yeah, exactly. And that goes for a lot of different things too, of course. But I feel like there's a lot of really bad seniors in particular. But I will say, okay, nice to have actual real looking IDs there. When the data my company starts throwing out words for 5 minutes, nobody understands. Yeah, exactly. I mean, JS isn't necessarily evil for now. Yeah, no, I mean, I think it's another thing too, when like seniors, for instance, when the senior at the company has to mentor others. Okay, what am I doing wrong there? Has to be responsible for mentoring, and he's like, I don't want to do this. And like, yeah, he's probably gonna do a bad job. But when somebody signs up to substitute teach, like, hello, clearly you were interested in this, or you're just collecting a paycheck. You are here to serve these people. Do it correctly. At the end, we realized we need a database and some vector ops. Some people better than others. Bad teachers should not be instructors, though. Yeah, exactly. Stay seniors. Yeah, not be forced to mentor. Exactly. Yeah, we said the same thing. I just hadn't read chat yet, I guess. But it's dorky, just because it is. I don't know. So why is my for loop not executing how I'm expecting? I have... Yeah, no, you're good. We were saying the same thing. My for loop is not doing what I expect because either I'm not passing the trials as I expect, or I'm not looping correctly, or the last thing that will be wrong is the async nature of what I've written. I really feel like that won't be the case, but I mean, I'm going to eliminate these two ideas first and then move on to that. Debug school! Woohoo! Yeah, these are just slow because it has to go reach out to Stripe every time, ask them to make an account. Okay, so it's only doing where's the amount of trials? It knows that there's 25 trials. It's only doing my first for loop. That's very odd. How did I go about this in trials differently? I think I did, now that I'm thinking about the way that I went about this file, I created an array and then eventually wrote that array. And I'm not doing that here. So let me do that. That's probably a better idea. This is right. It only went over my first loop. Why is that? If I just make some dorky little one. This guy should be able to execute all the way through. And then I will know that I did something stupid in that in that actual for loop that I want to do my stuff. Am I returning? I might be. Oh yeah, that's probably my problem. Oops. I just hadn't made it there yet, I guess. This guy should be fine. And then, well, maybe now that I got rid of that return, this will be fine. If I'm lucky. Because I don't need to return anything. Yeah, I don't need to return anything, so. What are we talking about? Thought I was returning down here, though. Did I? No, okay. This was outside of my loop. Yeah. Makes sense. I don't need to return anything from this. This can return void. Sure. So I don't need to be pushing stuff to an array like this. This was so that I could get to these later on, so that I could get to it right there. So that's fine. Let's see if I can fix this type just out of morbid curiosity while those are going. Okay, there we go. Oh! Make constraint failed on the field ID. I'm so sorry. About to run it up for you to mock. Fix payable to or incompatible? What? Oh, because it's a partial? I don't care. I don't care about that. Okay, new constraint failed on the field's ID when I do a trial coupon many. I'm willing to bet. There's my coupon. I'm willing to bet you that the lorem ipsums crossed over each other. So I'm gonna do coupon ID equals faker data type UID. And I believe that'll help a little bit. Ooh, I just remembered something. I wonder if the TRPC folks got back to me about something. How to write a for loop. They did. Where is this? Let's see if. All right, let's see if I got it. That looked like it worked, huh? Green coupons for a trial. That looked like it worked. Before I hit the button, did it work? I'm gonna say yes. I actually think that worked. Boom! Hey! Nice. Okay, so I did 1s and 2s just because I busted that right there. So bring that back down. Okay. Nice. Now we have coupons. I should definitely have been committing stuff prior, but whatever. All the way through the coupons. I probably would have sat there and forgot about that return for so long. This is why everyone needs a Fog the Catman in their life. Ladies. Index, trial locations and chairman. Oh yeah. Okay, so next on the docket is gonna be these surface types can get filled in, I guess, but It's not really that important. Oh yeah, Fog, there's going to be a ton of Lorem Ipsum stuff in here. You can tell me what we want filled in, and we can fill it in. But I just wasn't going to worry about it. I was going to make the thing work first so that you could actually do stuff to things. All right, let's do entry prices now. Prices TS. This one is going to introduce another level of complexity. So, assign trial entry prices. Damn it. This is going to introduce another level of complexity, and I will show you for why. Pourquoi? Assign trial entry prices. Thank you. Look, the squiggly worked. Okay. Here, there, assign trial. Where? What? Oh. I'm going to need trials again. Cool. And so, here's what has to happen here. Gotta write this down because I'm gonna lose track of it. Entry prices are actually made up of, trials can be entered at 2 different price points. There are regular entries and junior entries, which are discounted, but not a coupon. And then trial, a dog owner enters a trial multiple times. The prices change as the owner signs up for multiple, right? i.e. Definitely more interested in the model, in the actual, okay. Yeah, for sure. I just feel like it, if the actual data were more, cool. Oh, that guy. Who are you? Oh, that guy. Texas. This guy's from Texas. I.e., my first sign up is $20. My second is 15. My third is 12, maybe. Right. Okay, so get my schema, because I don't know if I'm happy with what I had drawn up. Now that I'm really, diving into how things work. So trial entry, there should be junior handler. Okay, so that's what that is right there. Let's do, oh no wait, I want trial entry prices, my bad. Trial entry prices. I feel like I should have on here type. There it is, trial entry price type, and that's regular or junior. Okay. Where's the senior handler? This hobby is for old people. They're all seniors. Thanks for follow, Coral. Appreciate that. Welcome in everybody. I think a bunch of you just got an ad, unfortunately, but sup? I'm Anthony. If you're new, join the Discord. We have a lot of cool conversations. Juniors, seniors, everybody's invited. Ask questions, answer questions, talk about stuff as well as things, and if required, you can also talk about other stuff. Just kidding. Okay, so entry price. I don't know how I want to go about this. This is really annoying. Working with this is really, really annoying. Oh, hi. Oh, that's a fun emote. UATW partner. I wonder what that is. Okay, so okay, so we will do. I mean, that's what I needed to see was happening. We have an entry index. Must be greater than or equal to 1. Oh wait, does it? Hello? Does that need to be? It's an index, so that doesn't even make sense. Min 0. Oh, what's up with that? For cheering during. Oh, gotcha. Gotcha. Well, good on ya. Okay, so my strategy here is going to be. Oops. Opening a window that I don't need. And then the other thing is, by the way, having junior entries is optional. So there's that. Another requirement is that if you have one junior entry price, you need to have them for all entries. It's another requirement. So my strategy is going to be so loop through trials, coin flip, or if the trial has junior entries or not, and then create descending prices for regular. What's up, whoa, dude? Create descending prices for regular entries, and then a new follow. Thanks to follow Sulindvas. Sulindva. Yeah, okay, look. Working my ass off over here. Okay? You guys know I had to go get some extra revenue from Vercel to continue this effort. Do you understand? Do not right now. We're making great progress on this database and you're yelling. We don't need it. What's up, True Legit? Does partial make every property optional? It does. It makes everything undefinable. Get hatted. I'm not in hat mode right now. Hat mode, I don't even read chat and I just do stuff. But I've been doing good today, so I need next person. And TS recently figured it's time to start paying attention in here. Brother, it was time for you to pay attention in here before. No, I'm just kidding. Cool. Hopefully I can be useful to you. So an empty object is valid? I would think so. Let's see. Yeah, I guess, yeah. How can I test this? Yeah, I guess, yeah. Trials dot zero, trial 0 dot. Yeah, because everything's, yeah, I guess so. I sleep 90% of the stream. I'm sorry for being so boring. Let's see. That can go. And then we're gonna assign trial enterprise. So this is all written for the coupons at the moment. We're gonna do trial entry model. We're gonna do anywhere from 1 to 5. We're gonna do, this is now called entries, trials, loop over the trials, creating entries for a trial of a certain ID, do work for each entry, entries, rename that one to entry. I'm gonna have to make create price thingy. So create trial entry price, build assign, and then eventually this will turn into trial entry price. And this is upset with me because it's not shaped right. I'm just not there yet. Okay, good starting point. Don't worry, I fell asleep when I ran it. Invest in crypto, lose money. Nice. Made a Java program tell me my purpose to keep saying null point exception. I am blessing you. That's what this is. Listen, it doesn't have to be this way. Okay. So create ascending prices for regular entries. If junior flag is true, make junior prices. This is, I don't want to call them that. I'm going to confuse myself if I do that. Okay. It's going to take a bunch of time too. That's annoying. Why did I laugh at that? Because it's funny. It's okay to laugh at stuff. I feel like, I don't know. I don't know if this is new or not, or maybe I'm just older and I like, you know, see the world now. But I feel like when create a price for something, I want to just make that like pretty generic. I feel like people are hesitant to like be happy sometimes. I don't know if that sounds weird or not, but like, oh, I shouldn't. I'm not saying this is what you were doing, but like, people lock themselves in mentally sometimes to being unhappy, I feel like. I don't know if that's streamer weird for that, but I don't know. I feel like I've seen that before. Yeah. They're not going to go up a level. I need to go up another level. Payment. Nope. Limits. This comes from client. Because I did that on purpose. Payments. Okay, ready? Export const. Create new. How did I do this over here? I'm starting to burn out. Create bank account. Yeah, create a price for something. Pass me stuff. I don't know what it is yet. But here, and then we're going to go return this new price. And we're going to do tell me a programming joke. Not so much of a joke. It's half joke, half wisdom. There are only two hard things in programming: Cache and validation. I already forget the other one. Like I just said, I'm starting to burn out. Cache and validation. What's the other one? This went well. Look it up. There are only 2 difficult things in programming. No. How's it go? Oh. Yeah, boo. Here we go. Boo. Boo. Hey, no. Stop. Don't throw that. Don't throw that. Don't. Should have thrown it harder. He threw it harder. Can I tell my joke yet? Or are you guys gonna calm down? Are you guys gonna calm down? I can tell my joke now because I found it on the internet. Okay. I just forgot what it was. Let me try this again. There are only 3 hard things in computer science. Cache and validation. No, wait. There are only 2 hard things in computer science. Cache and validation, naming things, and off by 1 errors. So I keep doing this full stack comedian thing on my title, and now they wanted me to tell a joke, and I already did. I only have my 1 joke, and they asked me for another one, and so it's like I had to come up with something else, and so I used the line that a lot of, once you've had some time in programming, you've definitely heard that one, right? And then I screwed it up like 10 times in a row. Couldn't even remember it at first. It's so embarrassing. No, I know. Go ahead and laugh. Go ahead and laugh. No, I know. They booed me. They threw things at me. Somebody threw a bra, though. But it had a brick in it, apparently. But anyway, they usually only ask me for 1 joke a day. And so I just use the same one over and over again. Nobody ever knows because nobody ever comes back to the stream. And so I didn't get away with it today. And so now I want one of those. You only need to know 2 jokes, one to make them laugh, and one to prove you know more than 1 joke. Nice. Dead streak. Dead stream. Nice. Program got stuck in the shower. Program got stuck in the shower because the instructions of the shampoo bottle said lather, rinse, repeat. Nice. Programmer's like sex. 404. I'm just kidding. One mistake and you have to support it for the rest of your life. Empty stack comedian. Ooh. Ah. Push more jokes onto the stack. Yeah, right. If I started putting my jokes, we'd see a stack overflow. Pow. That's somebody else's thing. I never knew that Milky did that, by the way. And literally I would do that and say pow. And I watched Milky stream one time and like that's totally his thing. And I was like, gotta stop doing that. I'm getting blown up by chat, but it's okay. As long as you guys are happy. Right. So we're gonna do payments, prices, I believe. Oh, I have to remember. Oh shoot. Do you go products before you do prices and then no. I think a price makes a product. It's gonna be a fun one. Prices dot. Prices, retrieve, get, prices fetch, retrieve, man. That prices. Okay, here we go. I'm getting somewhere. Here we go. Here we go. Trial find. Stripe prices create. Stripe prices create. Stripe prices create. I was already there. What was I even looking for? Currency USD. Spelling is hard, especially when it literally tells you exactly what you want. Active, true. Okay, so let me actually look back at this. This should be helpful. Yoink. Drop that down there. And something that did remind me instantly is that I need to have a Stripe account. Stripe account ID. Or no. Bank account ID. Bank account ID. This is a string. Interface. Params. Oh, I'm starting to get hungry and tired. And complaining. No, I'm just kidding. Bank ID. Params. It's a params. And then bank ID. Just want to make it a little more. So currency USD apparently lowercase it whatever. We're gonna go unit. Well, there's gonna be some stuff that's required here, of course. The price that you want it to be. Times 100. Price in dollars is what I'm gonna do. Number, because I'm gonna end up doing unit amount. Price in dollars times 100. Price in dollars. What else is needed here? I'm gonna do product data. This was super useful as I was working with stuff. So is this remember those. So trial ID. Let's do an optional. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. Thanks for the follow, Leo. Appreciate that. Thank ya. Nah, we chillin'. There's only 10 kinds of people in this world. Those who know binary and those who don't. Okay. Working on Doggo. You see it there. Oh my god, I just noticed the package is named Corgi. Fog came up with that one. I can't claim that. He thought he was hilarious. Yeah, it's called Corgi. I was like, God, that's so dumb. I'm doing it. Yo, why did the programmer quit his job? Because he was, because his manager was a meanie butt. We'll do because he didn't get a raise. I've heard that one. Okay, we'll do metadata, I guess, if you want it, and then we'll go like a trial ID. No, this should be a record. Key string, right? No, string. I guess any. Let's do strings or numbers. I don't want to get too aggro there. And then metadata. And then I'll have to do metadata trial ID. Yeah. Metadata. Why do I keep doing this backwards? I need to make these. I need to do an implementation of what where I want to end up first. Implementation first, Anthony Shu. Metadata and type. And what do you have to be so upset about? Undefined is not assignable to string number null. That plays. Cool. I guess. Works for now. Great. Trial entry prices. I didn't bring it up. Dun, 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 dun. There's that. There's that. Here's prices. Here's there. And that. Create a price. Okay. What's up, Glossip? We out here ballin'. Chillin' with the homies at the crib. Alright, so entries instead of well, this should be named like entry prices, actually, just to not confuse me. So create a trial entry price. We need to create trial entry price. This stuff be gone. And what happened? And that is the story of whoops. Create prices, I don't care. What's going on here? Create prices. Oh, I just had that doubled, I guess. Entry prices map. This day, oh god. I don't need that right now, okay? I don't need to play the Paradox game right now. We got enough going on, alright? Maybe some other time. Create price. Now here, put some stuff, okay. So bank account ID, that needs to come from trial dot Stripe account ID. As much as that looks like it isn't there, it is. Price in dollars. Ugh, this is so annoying. I want to make these descending, but want to make these descending, but you know, but my brain hurts. I think I'm getting tired. What's my type speed? I don't know. What's your type speed? I'm just kidding. Do you want me to monkey type? I can monkey type. Maybe I just need a snack. Create entry prices for trial ID. All right, here we go. Follow what I wrote, right? Loop through trials, coin flip. We're gonna go const has junior prices equals math random. Typing is hard. Math.random greater than 0.5. Streamer,
that's not a coin flip. That's not technically a coin flip.
Around 90. I think last time I did it when I was doing like just random words, it was like 120 or something. I can do it again if you want, but if you have to type sentences, then I get around 90, I think it was. Okay, so page pricing, we all make 1 to 5. So there's my coin flip. I'm looping through trials, do a coin flip, create descending prices for regular. Oops. For regular. And then if junior flag, make junior prices. Okay. So here I am, do work for each entry. Here I am doing I think I'm really tired. Random words is more difficult? I think the random words is easier. I find it harder. Okay, so let's split this. No, let's only worry about making the regular one, and then I can copy the logic and set a junior flag on it or whatever. So let's make just the regular ones, not worrying about this yet. So entry prices, extend, I don't need to do any of that. We'll make it the array. I don't think I do anyway. Okay, so we'll make it the array. We'll do let's do I can just generate an array here. Here's what I'll do. I'll go const regular prices equals faker faker. Can I do a random? I want to make an array of some length between. So I guess I'll do this. I don't need faker for this. Array of faker dot data type. Oops, data type number min max. Let's go min 3 to 5. Is that what's happening here? Wait a minute. This is the actual dollar price. I'm dumb. Actual. We'll call it like unit amount, I guess, or unit price. How about that? Yeah, that makes sense. How often do I work out? Pretty much every day. I've been going every other day. Weights, yoga, weights, yoga, weights, yoga, weights, yoga. I don't know. Today I was gonna do yoga. Virtual Studio hard. For you, it's difficult. You like the sentences more? Virtual Studio is also hard to type, as there's tons of words and yeah, there's a bunch of different characters and whatnot. Okay, so I was doing this wrong. I need like let's start them off at like $30 or something, I guess. Or no, minimum 20 and maximum 35. And if there are 5, I guess I don't even really care that they're descending. It just makes it more realistic, but it doesn't matter. If we really wanted to refactor that, we could later. So there's a unit price for each of these. So here's price in dollars, unit price, faker dot random, no, faker helpers array element off of the unit price, and then metadata. I like this. Where'd it go? I like doing this. Let's do. Looks like I need a trial ID, a type, and an index. So trial ID, type, and index. Just because I'm forgetful, I need to write them out instantly. Trial ID. This is going to be trial.id. That's an easy one. Woo. And then it's not gonna like that, huh? Because of undefined. For null. Okay, and then this type, I want to do regular, and then, oh, I forgot a comma. I was wondering about And then this index. Okay, this is I need off of this loop. This index right here. Okay. Keep it up. You're tired? Sounds good, man. Thanks for coming to hang out. Be back when you can. If you want to join the Disky-Doo, feel free. You'll know whenever I'm live. Whoa. That's crazy. Alright, so now I should have a set. Now I should be building a set of those. Maxing out at 5, so that's good. And then, okay, where do I go from here? Is this prices? This is price. Price is. That makes me feel more better. I don't even know where to go from here. Let me do this. Entry prices. Where is this thing at? This hates it because I'm not returning anything now. Let's do return ... entry. That should be happy. No? Create many down there. Let's see. Interesting. It let it do that. Not assignable to blah. Well, then what is, fella? Entry index. That looks awfully like an entry to me. Entry prices. Dog ID. Oh, this is wrong. Trial entry price. There's a huge difference. Okay, now it's happy. I kind of want to just run this and log this and see what's coming out the other side. Oh, hello. Oh, this is the call. Console log, build, trial, entry price. Okay, actually this would probably be the wrong thing to call this anyway. Trial entry prices and trial entry prices. Let's see where I get doing this. This could be an interesting one. I feel like I like my logic, but I'm not actually sure. I'm looping over trials. Loop through the trials, coin flip. I'm ignoring this for now. Create. I'm not even gonna worry about these being descending. That's what we. Okay, and then create prices for regular. That's what that appears to do. But I guess we'll see. That looks right to me. It's not going to be a part of this yet, though, because I haven't given it to it. I just want to make sure that that's even close, I guess. Sale. Bum, 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 bum. And the Lord of the database seed said, unto this day thou shalt be rewarded with a successful seed. What happened? Invalid injured Nan. And this is for... Oh, sorry. Super wife turned on the light. You guys can't even hear the vacuum behind me. That's cool. Good job, NVIDIA. What's up, Eiko? Invalid injured Nan. Where did I get that from? Oh. Unit price. Would be an array of numbers. I was gonna do weaker helper price in dollars equals faker helpers array. Why am I doing this? I do this all the time, writing stuff that's literally sitting right in front of me. Yeah, that's do this now. I want to log that. I think this is where I'm going wrong. You great men of power, you will boast of your feats, politician and an entrepreneur. Price in dollars. This doesn't do anything too interesting. I would have to be screwing it up right here, I think. Bonk, 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 bonk. I don't know how, because this is literally an array of numbers. Faker data type number. Oh, I see it now. Duh. Array of some length. Dot map. There we go. Whoops. So then, no. Yeah, I guess. What happened there was, I was dropping into this array, this faker number. What I needed to do was to map over an array and then insert into it the faker numbers that I was wanting it to be. Instead, I was making an array of somewhere between 20 and 35 that was made of a bunch of undefined values. Just in case you've never seen this before. This right here creates an array of whatever length you put right here. Please click, thank you. You can make that whatever number you want, and it will make an array of that length with undefined as each value in the array. So this isn't going to be an array of 5 values that are undefined, but if I map over that undefined array and return something that I want, then I'm good to go. Then it'll have an array of numbers that are between 20 and 35 instead of undefined. All right, let's see here. Hi. Creating the coupons. Oh no! Oh, I did better that time. Okay, cool. I fixed what I had wrong. Cool. All right. I'm gonna take this logic back to here because it just is not making me happy up here. Feels unnecessary. And then additionally, actually, I don't need these. I don't need this. I don't need that. I don't need. Okay. So now my problem is that this entry needs to have the type on it of regular, because I'm doing the regular ones right now, and I also need to have a that can go because I know I did that part right. So now each of these entries needs to be given one of these prices. Entry, right? Let's go sort by lambda. No, doing that wrong. This looks like an array of those, right? Yeah. Okay. So then I'll need to go. I want to get them in order, then make them descending if I can in a nice way. Thanks for the follow, Ghost. Hi, Vinny. Streamer! Oh, streamer! What, streamer? What's up, Lifelex? Okay. Man, I'm starting to get tired. Hello. How close am I, by the way? If I can get entry prices, then I only have days left. The entries can come later. Judges we're not worried about. Favorite users we're not worried about. And the rest is there. So keep it moving, keep it grooving, keep it sexy, but keep it stylish and classy at the same time. It's the motto. That is the motto. Apparently. What do I need here? I need to go regular. What was my error? Chillin'. Types were missing. Oh, okay, so I got that. I need to assign. Oh, there's a product ID too. Interesting. Not tasty, not tasty. Trial, entry, prices. 0. Interesting. Trail, nice. Okay. So then I need to end up mapping over those. Yes. So now this becomes return a map going over a price, and here I go return the entry that we're working on. Entry prices. Okay, now, so this goes in here now. Yes, good. Smart. Smart streamer is smart. Okay, and then... Yeah, I need to make the actual stripe prices and then put them in. Yeah, okay. Go there, go... This is the unit price array. Can I get away with? Okay, so then sort now, LM. This is an array of numbers, so that sort will work. And the index here, this is good, this is good, this is good. I think I got it. Index. Now, we go, so now we're gonna have a bunch of those. We're going to return, this disappears. This entry here is upset with me for reasons. 500K, can I get some of that? No, you make that Vercel money, bro. No, you make that Vercel engineer money, bro. You don't need my help. Do you guys know that Vinny works for... What's up, Easy? Okay, so entry price is, that's generating a mock. Is that what I need? Yes. Okay, here we go. Entry price. We will bring you this entry price. This will get a type of regular. And then I can give this the ID. Where's, cannot find the name. That's, oh, relax. That is neither here nor there, buddy. I have a bunch of returns though. I don't want that. I guess I can go here and put this inside the for loop. Yeah. And so then I will need driver's map, return that, and then do that. Yeah, okay. So, this is just a type, so it's freaking me out, man. It's freaking me out, man. Regular, I need this to be a map of so confused. Ew, VS Code. Imagine having a name Penis, and what you do with your time is drop into people's chats and say, ew, VS Code. Imagine having nothing better to do. Oof. I'm back. Well, I never left. I just muted you. I'll allow it. Hi, USMC chick. Thank you for coming back. You know what's actually funny is I set up Space Vim on this last night, and I didn't have enough time to play with it, but I feel like I'm actually gonna like it. I've tried NVim, and it's just not even close. Just not even remotely. It was but that's the nice thing, right? Is you know, everybody's got their own flavor of what they want out of their editor, IDE, whatever, yada yada. That's what makes preference and having a bunch of people cater to your preferences be so awesome. I saw somebody said Space Vim ? Close to what? What did I say? I don't remember what I said. Why does everyone care what you use? Okay, so here's how this works. Programmers are super smart, but they're also super dumb. Like they're really good at very good at computation, no social skills. And so when they don't go outside for a long time, and they start assimilating with the machines, you know, they get so used to machines talking to them. And when machines talk to them, it usually looks something like this, right? Like a squiggly line, and you're just being yelled at. Like there's no emotion here. Cannot find name entry prices, right? There's no like, hey man, I can't find this. Do you think you could help me? That'd actually be a great extension. That would be an outstanding VS Code extension. Polite VS Code. Anyway, and so they get used to things being very black and white. And then here's what happens. They interact with other human beings on the off chance that happens. And they find out that other people like other things than them. And there's and they don't realize it, but inside of their head, there's this monkey part of their brain that is used to like a clan of only like 40-ish people, and anything outside of that is automatically marked as an unknown. And because we are cavemen at the end of it, you know, imagine a caveman, if you had a bush sitting in front of you that you knew that those were cherries on that bush, but there was this other bush that had an unknown set of berries, right? You'd probably just pick the cherries because you know you're not going to die if you eat the cherries. But if you pick off the unknown bush, you might die. So there's that little monkey part of your brain that automatically assigns something that is unknown, or I don't like this, automatically assigns that to bad. Now, like I said, not a lot of social skills. This all just kind of comes together into this cocktail of not understanding that other people have other preferences that are perfectly fine, but they aren't my preference. So I have to be, you know, cannot find name entry prices when somebody has not a preference that it has a preference that is not mine. So that's what ends up happening. That's the actual story. But thank you for your follow anyway, penis. So, that was the best story ever. That's kind of how it goes. Then you see, now, it becomes more and more difficult. It becomes more and more difficult when you're talking about like, oh, C# best, why are you writing JavaScript? It's like, okay, well, somebody's got to build the web. WASM! Yeah, but that sucks butts. But it performs better! Yeah, but I have a product to build. But I like C#! Okay, but... And then it's the whole thing that... Just... But yeah, it just goes realistically. And honestly, the funny part is that we can ask this question about a lot of things, right? Like, sports. There's some people that... Soccer, dumb! And it's like, no, you just don't like it. There's a really big difference. Red's the best color. No, it's just your favorite color. And so, what's the plan for 500 grand this year? If you do exclamation point, I'll do exclamation point product. Watch the video. That's the product. Oh wait, did I put in 2022? Because I meant to put in 2023. Am I dumb? My color's better. Okay, I put 2023. Whew. I was gonna say, all you guys thought I was gonna have this done in half a year? No. My color better. Did I see BG's rant about JavaScript? I didn't. He's usually pretty nuanced, though. That's funny. He writes TypeScript. Like, very often. I'd be very... Yeah, I'd also be very interested. He went on forever? I'll have to go find it. Because he usually is very like, yeah, use whatever. Must have been having a bad day or something. Or not. Or maybe he actually had a really good point. I will tell you that, in particular... Samurai! I will tell you in particular, the Twitch community is anti-JavaScript. And I think that's for good reason. I'll tell you what my stance. My stance is learn JavaScript, do your little for fun projects, get your feet wet, find a way through JavaScript in school, and he went on about how they shouldn't teach it. So here's the story. Here's for those of you that are new to the programming community and stuff like that. So here's how this goes. In JavaScript, you can do this. This is like the all the way at the bottom why this happens. Ready? In JavaScript, I can do this. This is a string equals hi. My name is, right? In JavaScript, I can do this. And then, sorry, I can't do that. Let. And then I can go, oops. This is a string equals 42. This, Vinny, I'm gonna just, and it won't be on your face. In JavaScript, you can do this. And this, you might not immediately recognize as bad, but when you have a program like I'm writing right here, this is very bad. Why? Because let me do this. Let me go. What did I just do? Hello? What buttons did I push? Equals 32. So what I can do is I can do something like this. Another string. Jimmy, whatever. I can write something like this. This is a string plus another string. And what we know is that out the other end of this, we will get my name is Jimmy. But here's the thing. I'm here for the... That would be... Wait, did I get it right? Okay, so here's the problem. I turn this into a number. And so, actually here. Okay. Right here, we would get that. But right here, if I did this again, I would get 32, Jimmy. Now that's not so bad. I could make this even worse. I could go another string and assign this to 42. And now when we do this, we end up at 74. So this by itself, conceptually, is really not a big deal. If you had, oops, if you had some program that was doing this, it probably wouldn't be too big of a deal. 32 greater than. So here's where this becomes a problem. If I do something like this, I'm just gonna leave it at this. Actually, I'm not gonna keep writing. Here's the problem. This guy right here is a number. This guy's a string. I was allowed to do this plus, and if I were to even do this to you, There might so now what I'm simulating is a large code base. If you had a large code base, you would get away with this. If you wrote this into your program, you would have a string here that gets turned into a number, and suddenly you added this together, and this is all you're going to see. If you're in a different file across your whole big code base that's all JavaScript, you're going to see this, and you're going to go, what? And you're going to end up with problems. Additionally, this might even happen. You're going to see two strings that you try to get put together, and you're going to need a number. And you're going to be like, what? This gets even worse. This is a very simple example. This gets even worse if I were to do this. And then I try to do this. Another string actually is a number right now. So here's exactly what's happening. I'm trying to remember. So right here, I'm adding together an array plus a number, I think. So this is one of the problems. I'm honestly not sure right now if this is a number or a string. I believe it's a number because when I go up here to where, okay, here we go. Another string, I turned it into a number. I didn't even know which one I had though. So that is what is solved by, sorry, let me backtrack. I'm giving an example. Yeah. No, DevDo knows, or DevDo, D0. I don't know what your mom may call it. He knows I'm giving an example. So this is an example of how this really, really quickly got really confusing. All I had to do was put this information off my screen, and I had no idea what I was doing. And I literally just wrote this in 30 seconds, right? So, this idea of being able to reassign a string to a number, and then an array, and then an object, and then back to a string, and then into your mom, and then into your dad, and then